Hello everyone. Today now I am going to show how to use mirrors in SolidWorks. So get prepared. First open your part diagram. Okay, mine is a little bit slow, so please wait. Okay, we have to do everything in Sketch. Yeah, you can also do what is this called as mirror in part diagram, but I am going to show how to do it in Sketch today. So select a plane. First select your tree and then go for this icon. Select the front plane. Then on line there is a central line. Central line is used as a reference axis. Okay, go for infinite length. Okay, you have to select infinite length definitely. One is for horizontal without any angle, so that it is perfectly vertical, and the other is horizontal. Okay, now select the line. If you can do everything, you can do anything. Let's go with a circle. That is a circle, definitely you can go give its dimensions so that it will be fixed. I'm going with 20. Now. Yeah, it is still blue, so I have to give how much it is from x-axis. So these, let's go for 20. Let's go for 10. And from y-axis. Okay, sorry. From here. This one to this one point. Select length from here to here. It is also 20. Let's go to 20 mm. And I would like to change this to 10. Now the body is fixed at this particular point. So what I'm going to do is mirror. There is a mirror icon over here. Select this one. See mirror entities. Select this. See my entities to mirror. I want the mirror entities to be circle. Okay, circle has been selected. Next, the mirror, from where you have to take the reference point. Mirror doesn't work without any reference plane or reference line or reference point is not, reference point cannot be taken as a point. So I am taking this axis. See, you got another circle in yellow. That is it is showing you that this is the approximate position where it will come. Go for click. You have two circles now, and again I am going to show you mirror. And I am now selecting two entities. I selected two entities which are circles. Now I am taking reference line, reference about this line. There is an axis, so I have to 4. Okay. Now we can also do what is this called as another line. Let's go with the line. This is tangent to two lines. Rear my point. Control Z. Okay, that line is fixed. No, I don't think so. You're getting angles where it is 90 degrees. This is 20. So I'm giving what dimensions over length. So I'm going to delete this, which is already fixed. Sorry. Now again I'm going to mirror all the entities using that plane. Therefore two lines are selected, so I'm deselecting them. You can use delete to do that. Mirror preference is this one. You can go for click. Okay, this is how to mirror everything, which is as you like. After mirroring, you can delete the entity you want to remove, but the line same, you got a problem. If you do that, the reference line is gone, so that the mirror entities has no fixed point to do that. Go to Control Z and this is how to mirror. Okay, this is LSMR mirror. Thank you everyone.